Imagine a world where tiny robots can travel through your bloodstream, delivering medication directly to diseased cells, or even performing surgery at the microscopic level. Sounds like science fiction? Well, this is the exciting reality of medical nanotechnology. In today's video, we'll explore how nanotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare, from targeted drug delivery to nanosurgery and tissue engineering. What is nanotechnology in medicine? Nanotechnology refers to the manipulation of materials on an atomic or molecular scale, often less than 100 nanometers in size. When applied to medicine, these incredibly small particles, known as nanomaterials, can be designed to interact with biological systems in ways that were previously unimaginable. In healthcare, nanotechnology is being used for drug delivery systems, nanosurgery, and even tissue engineering. But how does it work, and what could it mean for the future of medicine? Targeted drug delivery with nanobots. One of the most promising uses of nanotechnology in medicine is targeted drug delivery. Imagine being able to send medication directly to a tumor without harming healthy cells. That's where nanobots come in. Nanobots can be programmed to navigate the body's bloodstream and deliver drugs precisely where they're needed. For example, in cancer treatment, conventional chemotherapy affects both cancerous and healthy cells, causing side effects. But nanobots can carry chemotherapy drugs directly to the tumor, reducing side effects and increasing treatment effectiveness. Nanomaterials in tissue engineering. Tissue engineering is another area where nanotechnology is making waves. Scientists are using nanomaterials to create scaffolds that can mimic the body's natural tissue. These scaffolds help regenerate damaged tissue, such as cartilage, skin, and even organs. Because nanomaterials can be engineered at such a small scale, they can promote cell growth and enhance healing processes. Imagine the future possibilities: custom-designed organs grown with the help of nanotechnology, nanosurgery precision at the microscopic level. Next, let's dive into nanosurgery, an advanced surgical technique that uses nanobots or nano-instruments to operate on an incredibly small scale. Think of nanosurgery as a precise, minimally invasive procedure where surgeons could one day use nanobots to repair tissues, remove blockages, or even destroy harmful cells like cancerous tumors without making large incisions. Nanosurgery could also help surgeons access areas that are otherwise difficult to reach, reducing recovery time and complications. Nanotechnology in wound healing. Nanotechnology is also showing promise in wound healing. Researchers are developing nanomaterials that can speed up the healing process by promoting cell regeneration and preventing infections. One such innovation is the use of nanofibers in bandages. These nanofibers can be coated with antimicrobial agents to protect the wound from infection while promoting faster healing. Some studies suggest that nanomaterial-based dressings can reduce healing times and improve recovery outcomes for patients with severe burns or chronic wounds. The future of nanomedicine. While medical nanotechnology is still in its early stages, the future looks incredibly bright. Researchers are continually discovering new applications for nanotechnology in medicine. From improving diagnostic techniques to developing personalized treatment plans based on a patient's individual needs, nanotechnology is paving the way for more precise, efficient, and effective healthcare solutions. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, or heart disease could be cured or significantly reduced with a targeted nanoscale treatment. Although we're not quite there yet, the ongoing research in nanomedicine is a big step forward in making this vision a reality. So what do you think about the future of medical nanotechnology? The possibilities are endless, and we're only scratching the surface of what this powerful technology can achieve. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more cutting-edge medical advancements, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos about the fascinating world of medical innovation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.